I just request everyone, when we're sitting, please don't take pictures from down where you are. That's okay.
खड़े हो जाओ सब लोग। भला मेरी सीट आपकी सीट से नीचे कैसे?
मैं कभी कर देता हूँ।
What would you like to say? I want to hear what you want to say, my friend. Thank you so much. It was all my blood and all their tears. That is how it went.
And the unit sweat.
The unit sweat, he cried, they cried, it was my blood. Literally blood in the brain.
Haritik, Alok here from OFM, आपके second row में here.
I love you, man. I remember you. Come on, give me the love. I'm waiting.
We all love you, sir. सवाल ये है कि इसमें आपने माइकल जैक्सन को कुछ ट्रिब्यूट दिया है, जो कि खबरों में भी है, अखबारों में भी है. किस तरीके से वो स्टेप्स प्लान किए आपने और वो दिखता है दूसरे अंतरे में?
देखिए, पहले तो सिड ने मुझे कहा कि उनका एक प्लान है. Why don't we do Michael Jackson? I said, are you mad? Michael Jackson, it's impossible, man. I will take like a month to rehearse.
And nothing is impossible for him, as we all know now. It's been, what, 14 years? We all know that.
Hey, I'm talking. So I actually, honestly, thought it was a wrong idea. Because you really cannot match up to the master, the god of dance. But then I realized, I have so much love and so much respect, and he has been someone I have idolized all my life. So I said, yaar, itna pyar hai mujhe for his work and for all the contribution that he has made in this world. It doesn't matter how I dance. It doesn't matter if I match up. I'm going to do this for my love for the man who started me off on my journey of dance. So I have done this in my own style. I have not done it like Michael Jackson, but it's his steps in my style. And that's what set me free. When you do something for love, it sets you free. And that's how I went about it then.
कतरीना, आपने काफी एक्टर्स के साथ काम किया है, लाइक आमिर हुए, शाहरुख हुए, ऋतिक के साथ भी. किसकी डांस की स्टाइल सबसे डिफरेंट है, मतलब जिसके साथ आपने सबसे ज्यादा कंफर्टेबल फील किया?
Ritik's, for sure, because his flexibility is too incredible. It's on another level, so it's very difficult. You have to be an incredible dancer to dance next to him, which you have to really work hard for, and you feel nervous because he's got a natural rhythm. I think when he dances, and it comes to him so effortlessly. Sorry.
मिस्टर विजय, क्या होगा प्लान अभी, स्ट्रेटजी, क्योंकि बहुत कम दिन बचे हुए हैं, अब 2 अक्टूबर आने ही वाली है. किस तरीके से आप इसको रिलीज करने का सोचा है, प्रमोशन का सोचा है, if you want to?
देखिए, this is from a Foxstar point of view the biggest film and the most special film. So really, जैसे आप जानते हैं, we started with the teaser. The idea was to just give a glimpse of the film, and I think even if I say it myself, I think the teaser has gone and delivered in a manner that was unbelievable, and it really represents the film. It's not a teaser that's trying to sort of cheat or show something which is not there in the film, and it shows very little of the film. There is so much more in the film which will unfold as we go forward. I think today is actually, I would say, the formal kickoff of the last 100-meter race as such. So today is going to be now when we start on a daily basis, and that's where I think we need every one of your support. You guys are as close a member of the team, so if we've had blood, tear and sweat, I want to see the sweat there too. So no, really, seriously, a request to all of you. It's a very special film in which everyone has put their heart, and it's a film that will not disappoint. And it's going to go out the widest film, be it in India or outside of India. And I think I can't really wait for, and I think we all know we've got the best weekend with a 5-day weekend. And so we can't really wait to get release the film now.
ऋतिक, स्कूल और कॉलेज के बच्चे आजकल आपकी तरह काउंट करने लगे हैं, 5, 4, 3, 2, एंड देन दे डू डांस वांस करना स्टार्ट कर देते हैं. आपको ये खबरें मिली हैं, या जो बच्चे ऐसा करते हैं, क्या कहना चाहेंगे उन्हें? बच्चे जो ऐसा करते हैं, जो ग्रुप बना करके आपकी तरह बोल के फिर डांस स्टार्ट करते हैं.
It's a position of great gratitude that I have. That मेरे काम से if I can instill inspiration, और अगर मेरा काम is aspirational for the many who want to go through a journey like this, if they have goals and if they have everyone has dreams, right? If I can impart in helping them, give them hope, give them inspiration to be able to achieve their dreams, I'm just full of gratitude for that. It's an incredible position that I'm in, and I take it as a responsibility. I just adore children, and if I can contribute to their lives, to society, to people, to aspire, that's what films are about. You know, we are here to impart not just entertainment, but we give you a chance to dream, to hope, to understand what is right from wrong. There's so much that that we actually absorb from films, and that's what it's all about. It's our service to the world, and that's how I see it. So, thank you, God.
Siddharth, bang bang means it's like action definitely, but उस तरह से इसको relate कर रही है film या bang bang, it could be dance, music, romance. What exactly is?
I think it's a celebration. I think Bang Bang is a celebration of every emotion. It touches a high of every emotion, of romance, of action, of drama, of humor, of scale, visual appeal, stardom, music, everything. So I don't think we could have any other title other than Bang Bang.
Ritik, in spite your ill health in between, you tried to do the stunts on your own. How true is that thing?
We all go through our challenges, and I am the kind of person who enjoys it. Once you enjoy your struggles, once you enjoy your challenges, once you have clarity of thought, okay, nothing really lasts forever, and all that is there in your hands is to put your best foot forward and just keep moving forward, and that's what I did with this. No assumptions that things will go wrong, or just then I just stopped assuming the worst, the best started to happen. And मैं बोलूँ, I'm very there are a few things that I've discovered through the journey of this film. पहली बात तो ये है कि मैं famous हूँ कि I'm the kind of guy who will lock himself inside the room and get into character and all that stuff. इस film में उल्टा हुआ है. इस film में I have discovered that this Rajveer is me. So when I started to prep, I said, what do I prep? I feel this. It's me. So it was a discovery that actually I am Rajveer. So it became so easy for me. In this film, I have done zero prep. So it's the first film that I have actually been surprised in that way. So it was an incredible experience. Once I overcame my challenges, everything just became easy. This has actually been the easiest film that I have done. In deep contrast to what I was actually going through, the film itself has been the easiest film which I have done.
Katrina, as you said, like you have to be a very incredible dancer to match up with Ritik. So